In front of me is ZT Blade A55, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button here. If you want to add a bookmark, click on flag icon, and to add a photo one on a camera. Then take a pic. To discard it, select this X. To retake it, click on this arrow, and to add it, tap on the check mark. To end and save your recording, hit done. Then name it and hit save. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. To delete it though, hold it, hit delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!